everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I hope you are doing absolutely fine. So today's video is going to be a Q&A video. So on my Instagram I asked you guys to ask me a few questions regarding anything and everything you wanted to. So I got quite a few questions regarding my YouTube, my Instagram, my personal life. So I thought of answering them to you. I have all the questions written here in my diary and I have in total 10 questions. कुछ क्वेश्चंस रिपीटेटिव थे, सेम टाइप के थे, तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि मैं उनको मर्ज करके ही आंसर कर दूं. So now without any further delay, let's just begin this Q&A video. Right, so the first question which I got is, how do you manage your personal and professional life? A lot of you guys have asked me this question. मेरे को पहले भी Instagram DMs में भी काफी लोगों ने पूछा है. Since you are married, how do you manage it and everything? If your husband is supportive, your in-laws are supportive. My husband is really supportive. बहुत ज़्यादा support करता है वो मेरे को and it's been 1.5 years almost that I've been married and मैंने शादी के बाद ही YouTube और Instagram start किया था अपना. Initially it was really difficult. But then ठीक है, with time आपको आदत हो जाती है. Plus what I do is I shoot all my videos in advance. तो मैं almost 1 month का नहीं तो 20 days का content एक बार में shoot कर लेती हूँ. So that it is easy for me. मैं daily shoot नहीं कर पाती हूँ because I have to work and manage my household chores as well. At times it is really difficult because you don't feel like doing anything because personal life के साथ it becomes a bit difficult. घर का काम करो and everything. अगर आपको कोई चीज़ सच में करने का मन है तो आप कैसे ना कैसे उसके लिए टाइम निकाल ही लेते हो. And I really love doing this. I love making videos. So yes, I take out my time accordingly. Next question is, which is your favorite makeup brand? Favorite makeup brand? I don't have any one favorite makeup brand. I love products from different brands. And so I still remember when I started using makeup, it was during 3rd year of my college and uske pehle I remember I just used to use a lip balm and sunscreen and a kajal. And it was my 3rd year when I had some family function and I had to purchase makeup. And I still remember my first brand was Maybelline and Lakme. I remember मैंने Lakme का CC cream लिया था and Maybelline से I took their lipstick. So those were my first makeup brands and I still love a lot of Maybelline products and Lakme CC cream is I think the best CC cream. So I don't have any one makeup brand which is my favorite, but I love a lot of different products from a lot of brands. The next question is, what is your hair care routine? I am soon going to make a video for my hair care routine. I have got this question so many times. I am soon going to do it, I promise. Make some makeup videos, yes, definitely. Lately I've been really busy with something. So मेरे in-laws के यहाँ पे भी शादी है. It is my best friend's engagement as well, so I was really busy. कुछ ना कुछ चल ही रहा था, so I was not able to shoot. I will do it and in July and August you'll be seeing a lot of different makeup looks. ना कब जाएगा? Okay, I think we all are waiting for this Corona to end and मेरे हिसाब से सिचुएशन काफ़ी बेटर हो भी चुकी है in many states and I can definitely see a ray of hope. I think it's more up to you now how you take care of yourself. अभी restaurants वगैरह भी खुल गए हैं काफ़ी, so I think going out is not a big issue, but the main thing is to take care of your own self and yes, fingers crossed. I hope और भी चीज़ें better हो जाए जल्दी से. On the next question is, I remember you were never up for clicking pictures and all, and suddenly how come you become so camera friendly? Yes, I was never a camera person और मेरे को कभी भी pictures वगैरह click करवाने उतने पसंद नहीं थे because I was not that confident about my skin or the way I look and ऐसे I think कि मेरे को ऐसे लगता था हमेशा कि मेरे pictures अच्छे नहीं आते हैं. Even though people say कि मेरे pictures बहुत सुंदर आते हैं, but I was really never confident. मैं हमेशा से करना चाहती थी. I mean, it's been 3-4 years now जब से मेरे को YouTube channel start करने का मन था, but then I never had that confidence. Now when I sit with myself and just think कि मैंने कैसे start कर लिया ये सब. I think कि सबसे ज़्यादा important है that तुम जो हो जैसे हो, you need to be satisfied with yourself. I'm still struggling. There are days when I don't feel beautiful, but there are days when I feel so अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट, बट देन आई से माई सेल्फ कि अगर मेरे यूट्यूब पे सिर्फ 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स भी है या फिर इंस्टाग्राम पे सिर्फ 450 सब्सक्राइबर्स भी है तो बहुत लोगों के तो उतने भी नहीं है, एंड there are people who are still struggling to start, and when I've got this opportunity and when I've already started it, then why looking back? And मैं इतनी सी तो अच्छी हूँ कि लोग मेरे को देखते हैं, एंड ठीक है, people will pass judgments and comments. I need to give my 100% and I will do that no matter what. It really took me many years to be this confident. Even if there are 5 people who are just sticking by my side and they are loving me for who I am, and if I am loving myself, then everyone else will. And yes, and now I've just started and I don't want to look back ever. I really just want to go on and create content because this is what gives me immense happiness. The next question is, how do you edit your videos? Do you use any ring light or camera? No, I don't. I don't use any camera. I shoot with my phone, that is Oppo Reno 4 Pro, and I use a ring light along with that, and I have a mini tripod, and मैंने वो mini tripod लिया था to shoot vlogs or if I'm going out somewhere, so it is really handy because मैं जो ring light use करती हूँ उसमें it has a mobile holder, so आप उसमें मोबाइल या फिर अपना कैमरा दोनों फिट कर सकते हो, and you can use that. And I use a mic. mic बहुत महंगा नहीं है. I just paid 300 or 350 rupees maximum for this mic, and ये मेरे को चल जाता है आराम से. The quality is nice, and I think for beginners you don't need to invest in so many different things. रिंग लाइट भी मेरी फ्रेंड्स ने मेरे को गिफ्ट की थी लास्ट ईयर, लेकिन अगर आपके घर पे अच्छी सनलाइट आ रही है तो आप सनलाइट से भी शूट कर सकते हो, एंड आई थिंक दैट इज द बेस्ट. आई थिंक बिगनर्स के लिए डोंट नीड टू इन्वेस्ट इन 5 different products. If you have a phone which has a good camera, if you have a mic, I think will be good to go, and natural sunlight आनी चाहिए. I think that's it. I'll be leaving the link of mic, my phone, and the ring light which I use in the description box below, just in case you want to buy it. Next question is, how is your lockdown going? It is going really well. I'm really grateful कि मेरी पूरी family safe है, and we are still able to go out. I'm still able to come to my mom's place, and I celebrated my birthday in a very great way. My family and my friends did so much for me. And अभी तो ऐसे बाहर भी निकल ही पा रहे हैं थोड़ा बहुत अगर कुछ important काम है तो. So yes, it is going really great. And do let me know how is your lockdown going, by the way. Next question is, are you facing any trouble in your channel? I'm not facing any trouble, but ऑब्वियसली व्यूज उतने ज़्यादा नहीं आते कोई वीडियोस में, एंड सब्सक्राइबर्स काउंट नहीं बढ़ रहा है, तो यू गेट अ बिट डीमोटिवेटेड एट टाइम्स, बट आई एम रियली कीपिंग माई काम, एंड आई नो इट टेक्स टाइम, एंड आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट बिकॉज लोगों का कॉन्फिडेंस गेन करना एंड लोगों का ट्रस्ट गेन करना इज रियली डिफिकल्ट. जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था तो ऑब्वियसली आई डिड नॉट नो एनीथिंग. मेरे को बस एक इन शॉर्ट से ही एडिट करना आता है. ऐसे रील्स बनाती थी इंस्टाग्राम पे और 1-2 IGTV बना लिया, बट इतना बड़ा वीडियो एडिट करना is really different than just editing a 15 seconds का या फिर 30 seconds का reel. It wasn't difficult, I would say, but yes, थोड़ा टाइम तो लगता है समझने में. जब से मैंने YouTube का चैनल स्टार्ट किया तब से मेरे अपार्टमेंट में काम चल रहा है, तो बैकग्राउंड में देयर आर टाइम्स की इतनी ज्यादा डिफिकल्टी हो जाती है, बैकग्राउंड में कंस्ट्रक्शन का आवाज आती रहती है, एंड आई फील सो इरिटेटेड. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है दैट रिंग लाइट इज नॉट इनफ फॉर मी. नेचुरल सनलाइट भी चाहिए होती है, बट स्टार्टिंग में यू कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट एनी यूट्यूबर टू मेक दिस हाई क्वालिटी वीडियोज बिकॉज उतने ज़्यादा इक्विपमेंट्स नहीं यूज़ करते हैं हम, बट वी डू वॉट एवर बेस्ट वी कैन गिव यू. इट्स नॉट दैट कि यूट्यूब की साइड से मेरे को कुछ डिफिकल्टी आ रही है या फिर मेरे मतलब वीडियोज़ मेरे को पोस्ट करने में या कुछ. It's just my own difficulties which I'm facing regarding the sunlight or regarding the noise sometimes. Other than that, it is really easy to edit. मैं बहुत ही simple सा software use करता हूँ. I use InShot to edit my videos. In case if you want to know how I edit my videos, do let me know in the comments down below, and I'll love to make that video for you. I make my thumbnails from Canva, and मैं दोनों का ही free version use करती हूँ, and it depends on you guys as well. When I check my videos का analytics, I see कि बहुत सारे लोगों ने subscribe नहीं किया है, and then they see watch my videos and everything. I really request you guys from the bottom of my heart कि अगर आप देख रहे हो वीडियो एंड अगर आपको पसंद आ रही है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करो, प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक करो. इट रियली हेल्प्स अस small YouTubers to grow, and it really takes a lot of efforts to sit and just make this 10-minute video which you are watching. So not only me, if you don't like my videos, that's completely fine, it's okay, but other YouTubers as well, क्योंकि बहुत बार हम लोग वीडियो देख लेते हैं and then we just don't subscribe to that channel. But it really boosts our confidence जब आप लोग हमारी वीडियोस लाइक करते हो, उन पे अच्छे कमेंट्स करते हो या फिर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हो. सो प्लीज अगर नेक्स्ट टाइम आप किसी भी यूट्यूबर को देखो एंड इफ यू सी सम अमाउंट ऑफ पोटेंशियल इन देम, सो प्लीज do comment on their videos and do subscribe to their channel. I just left with last one question, and that is, why don't you make vlogs? Yes, definitely I'll make more vlogs. And मैंने एक vlog already बनाया है मेरे channel पे जब मैं बैंगलोर गई थी. I did so many things on that day, so I think it was an interesting vlog to watch. If you have not watched that vlog yet, I just link that vlog in the description box below. I know vlogs are really interesting to watch. I'll definitely start vlogging. Just give me some time. Alright guys, that's it for today's video, and thank you so much each and every one of you who took out that time to ask me so many questions. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do let me guys know if you want to watch more such sit and talk videos, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.